Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s. This is a smartphone that doesn't turn on and it needs to be fixed. Let's go. So our client brought this device to us previously so he can save his files from this device, but there's no display on this one, so it's gonna be a tricky proposition. And now he's decided that yep, it's time for a screen replacement. Make this a simple problem to solve. We're gonna remove the back cover on this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s. This is a Xiaomi device, so it's Chinese manufacturer. A fairly inexpensive device. Back cover came off without any issues. And we are going to remove the screws. Screws looks green. Remove that. Also on the daughter board, use this hand screw. Then move the cover for the camera. Yep, the cameras are dinky, but they have a very cool cover. Also gonna remove some screws underneath the cover. I'm gonna tap that down. They're on the same size, so you can mix them on the side here. And now we're gonna remove the SIM card tray, put that to the side. And we're gonna remove the cover through the SIM card slot because there's a gap. We're just gonna lift it up from there and work our way around the device. So the cover is gonna come off on the edges here. Right there. There we go. So it's made of plastic, so it's gonna flex a lot. I'm gonna put that to the side and remove this screws here. Remove the daughter board at the bottom. Let it dangle for a bit. And this is the connector for the display. Here's a replacement display. We're gonna attach it to the connector. Press it in. There we go. And let's turn this on. So I believe the smartphone is already 0% battery, so let's plug it in. And there you go. You can see the charging indicator. I'm gonna wait for a bit for it to come to life. Or we can press this power button. Let's see if it turns on. Nope, not yet. It still needed more time. Now it's turning on. So smartphones tend to be inactive until you reach a certain percent of battery charge. You can see the MIUI. And we can show you the home screen. You have the client's wallpaper. I'm gonna keep them private. I'm gonna shut this phone down. Touchscreen is okay. Colors are okay. The display overall is acting as expected. I'm gonna detach the display now. Remove this antenna cable. Remove the connectors. So everything you see here is gonna stay input. We're just gonna remove the display from the front of the device. Since the connector for the display is already detached, we can just slice through the adhesive like what we did with the back cover and detach the display. There you go. Spray, then detach. There you go. Put that to the side. Gonna dispose of the old display properly. We're gonna remove this speaker grill though. Install that to the housing. And next up, we're gonna clean up and prep the housing, remove the old adhesive, roll it like this. There you go. That's the technique. If you don't know how to clean up gunk adhesives on any device, this is how you do it. Use it. Use a toothpick or a stick and roll it. We have our replacement adhesive here. Liquid adhesive is not factory, and it's not gonna guarantee that your smartphone is gonna be waterproof since it's not factory. Now we're gonna install the display. We have routed the connector through the slot at the corner. Press in the display and then connect the connector for the display here. There you go. Reinstall the daughter board. There you go. So if you have any questions on the repair services that we offer here in the shop, you can leave them down below. If you have any questions on other smartphones we fix, leave them down below as well. Like and subscribe to our channel if you are interested in fixing different kinds of smartphones. You can definitely use our videos as reference, I believe. And yeah, I hope you learned something. I hope it has inspired you to fix your broken smartphone instead of buying brand new, and continue to support Right to Repair. This is going to be a cheaper way to keep your device, and it's going to help you save a lot of money and save the environment, because you're not throwing away an otherwise working device. You're just gonna reuse it until it just completely breaks down. But when it's just a broken display, it's gonna be fixable. It's not too expensive. Instead of buying another brand new, entirely new phone. We're just gonna clean this up and give it back to our client. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed, guys. This is the before and after. And look at that beauty. It looks amazing. The Redmi is complete. There you go. Take care, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.